Hi, my name is Ken, Teacher Ken, and I am here in Thailand to tell you all about this new dynamo that I bought for my bike. This video will be quick and to the point. Alright, first of all, what is a dynamo? So a dynamo is something that creates electricity. It's in your car. You know it as an alternator. Your engine makes this thing with coils spin around, and that creates electricity. And that is what powers your radio, your air conditioning, everything in your car. I think so, at least. So we can have that for our bicycle too. This is a similar technology that you would see on a wind turbine. Anything that spins around, you can create electricity with copper coils and magnets. Without further ado, here it is. It is waterproof. I bought it on eBay. It was super cheap. There is an internal battery and there is two USB. I use this USB for charging my light. I use this USB for charging my power bank or my phone. When your bicycle wheel is turning, it will turn the wheel of your electric generator. That's what this is. It's a mini electric generator. Push to start. So I push and it automatically presses up against the wheel. Don't worry, there's not much friction. When the mini electric generator or dynamo is up against your wheel, you're not going to feel resistance. You'll still be able to bicycle smooth and fast. So when this wheel is spinning, as you can see, it moves with your wheel. There's going to be an indicator light right here. This will start blinking red when the battery inside is charging. As the battery inside charges, it gives you dependable electricity for a light, and this is a very powerful 1000 luminous light, or for another power source. I use this for a power bank. And there you go. That's all you got to know. It's very easy to install. It comes with plastic spacers to protect the paint of your bike against the metal clasp. Thailand is very humid, and so there's a lot of rusting happening here, but these bolts are holding up really well against the humid climate. So I strongly recommend that you get this just for your own energy independence, and most importantly, to stop using batteries. It feels so good to have a little mini electric generator powered by me every time the wheel spins and I push the pedal. Yeah, batteries suck. They're not so great to recycle. You shouldn't throw them out, but many people do, especially in developing countries where there's no recycling available for batteries. And yeah, that's about it. I strongly recommend that you get this. I am not an affiliate, which means I don't get any money from telling you about this. When I get super excited about a product that I think can help out other people, then I'm going to make a video and share that with others. So that's what the point of this video is. If it helped you out, please share with some buddies. And yeah, happy pedaling.